Today we are exploring an app that's been making waves in the world of music downloads, the Mp3Juice app. Mp3Juice app is a popular app designed for downloading and streaming music. It's caught the attention of music lovers worldwide due to its user-friendly interface and the vast of library of songs. But what makes it stand out? Let's find out this. One of the key features of Mp3Juice is its powerful search engine. Whenever you are looking for the latest hits or classic tracks, chances are you will find them here. It's important to note that while Mp3Juice offers a free service, it's supported by ads. Now let's check how to download this app on your computer or Android device. First, open up your browser, then type Mp3Juice app. When you search this one, you will see the Google Play option here for Android. Just click on this and click install button. If you are using your PC, you can see here on Microsoft Store, you will see the Mp3Juice music downloader and converter. Simply click the install button here.